Welcome, today in front of me TCL 10 Tab Max, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So to do that, we should launch Google application, and after that tap on the right upper corner here. Then you tap here to the settings section and click to Google Assistant. After that, scroll all the way down to the general options, and now we will see here Google Assistant switcher. Just to turn it off, click only once on the switcher and then confirm your action by click here to turn off. And that's it, Google Assistant feature successfully is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.